Right, here we are, testing. Okay, I've done the mods to the input section. I replaced the 85K plate resistors with 120. Actually, I didn't have 130, so I replaced them with 120. Spice showed that they were fine, so I replaced them with those. Okay, I got the probes connected right now to the grids of the output tubes. Okay, so that's the output. I'm measuring the outputs. I'm not measuring the signal coming from the input tubes, right? Okay, I actually got both channels on at the moment, so I'll just put one. Okay, and yeah, okay. Um, I'm getting around 40 volts peak to peak from the inputs, right? So that's pretty good. That's what I wanted. Um, that's where it starts to clip the input signal coming out of the input tubes to the grid of the EL's 34s. Okay, hell, that goes mental. That's pentode power right there. Anyways, yeah, okay. So I had to put these on plus 10 because even at 5 volts per division, even at 5 volts per division. Oh yeah, because I got the 10 now. Channel one is the red one. So right, so at 1 times. So even at 5 volts per division, it's off the scope, yeah. So I need to put the attenuator on and bring this down to 1 volt. Okay, so it's one square. 1 square now is 10 volts. So it's about that. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40. About 40 volts, just a bit more than 40 volts peak to peak. Okay. Just out of curiosity, I'm curious what it looks like when it clips. That's crazy. That's max volume. Okay, so these things start to clip. Anyways, I get 40 volts peak to peak onto the EL34s. So that's pretty good. And the volume is at that position. So yeah, so around what 2 o'clock it starts to clip the input tubes. But that's 40 volts peak to peak. That's sending a lot of signal to the tubes, right? So it's got huge sensitivity. Yeah, now I need to work out. But the outputs from the trannies, I'm still getting 14 volts peak to peak, as I got before. So obviously, the tubes are being driven. The output tubes are being driven as hard as they can, as hard as the amp can. But I need to tweak the output tubes now. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to put those 250 resistors after all. Yep. Okay. There you have it.